It is important when you add something new, a new component, that you just go and check it out and kind of see what event handlers they have. So anything with when at the beginning is an event handler and is waiting for something to happen to that component. And in terms of the button, you've got a number of event handlers that you can tie into. Click is the most basic one. Got focus is not a very common one on a touch device because you can't really get the focus of it, or lost focus. But you can do long click, so you can have a short click to do something and a long click to do something else. That's pretty handy. Touch down and touch up, you can both use those as well. The green ones down near the bottom here, the lighter turquoise, that's the getter. So each property, background color, enabled, font bold, font italic, all those things, they each have two choices. The one that has the plug on the left is the getter, and of course the one that says set is the setter. So if you just want to find out what a property is, you're going to use the getter, and they will plug into places like this. And you can see that these input values up here are all getters. Whenever you want to change something, like the background image, we need to use the setter. Or in case of the button, if we wanted to change the background color for a button, we would use the setter for it. So always important to make sure you pick the correct one, and it depends on if you're changing something, use the setter. Just finding out what it is, the getter. But I'll get rid of those. And so some components will have, you know, a whole different selection of things. The canvas has a lot of different methods, the call blocks, to do things to the canvas, and whereas the button doesn't have any. So it all depends on what the component does, what you're going to find in here, and the accelerometer has even less things. And it's also important when you're trying to find something and you can't remember where it is, best thing, just click on each section here and see if what you're looking for is in that particular part. But otherwise, explore and have fun. And we're here to make mistakes and learn from them.